Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to make printables to sell on Etsy. So first go to Canva, and then at home you will see here print products. Just click that and you will see different templates available here on Canva, and then just select any templates or print products you'd like to use and edit. Then you can edit everything in here, even the colors, the text, the elements. Make sure that you modify them before uploading them on Etsy. You can also change the colors of the elements, and then once you're done editing that, click share and then click download, and then make sure that the file type is PDF print because this is a printable product, and then click download. And that's it. That's how you make printables for Etsy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.